Can you observe the estimated daily views range from approximately 1.1 million to 1.4 million? Let's consider the lower end of 1.1 million views if we multiply this by 365 days, and then by the average revenue of zero point 0.1 cents per view. The annual income amounts to slightly over $400,000. Dividing that by 12, we arrived at approximately $33,000 per month. Interestingly, this aligns closely with the earning range mentioned in the source, which states a monthly income of $13,000 to $213,000. Please note that these figures are for illustration purposes and may vary based on the various factors such as the content, audience, the monetization strategy employed. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you a method that can help you generate a monthly income of $30,000 by simply re-uploading YouTube videos. I provide you with a detailed, step-by-step instructions, so be sure to watch this video until the end. By the time you finish watching, you will have a clear understanding of how to start making money on YouTube without creating your own videos from scratch. Hey everyone, this is BA Media once again, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to be updated for a new opportunity to earn money online. I regularly share videos focused on making money, so let's dive right into it. To begin, let's explain the concept behind this method so that you have a clear understanding of how it works. Then I will break it down into step-by-step instructions, providing you with every detail you need to implement this method successfully. Every day, millions of people turn to YouTube and search for keywords like meditation music, for example. You can see that videos in this category received a tremendous amount of views, ranging from hundreds of thousands to millions. There's a significant demand for this type of videos, along with related keywords that people search for. By re-uploading videos, you can potentially make up to $30,000 per month. I will provide step-by-step instruction on how to implement this method. YouTube AdSense or ad revenue plays a crucial role in generating income from these videos. For example, the Soothing Relaxation channel earns anywhere from $26,000 to $426 per year from ad revenue alone. This represents a significant earning potential for channels in the meditation and relaxation niche. Stay tuned as I break down the process in detail and show you how it's done. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on making money online. Let's get started. I will show you a technique for creating YouTube videos without appearing on camera. By using a combination of images and royalty-free footages, you can create captivating videos in various niches. Platforms like Videoblock and Pixels offer a wide selection of royalty-free videos that you can use in your content. Pixels in particular provide free access of thousands of videos that you can download and use it on your relaxation videos. It's important to ensure that you have the proper rights and licenses for the content you use. YouTube's guidelines state that you can monetize videos created with royalty-free or Creative Commons contents as long as you have the appropriate license agreement. By following these guidelines, you can create engaging videos and monetize them on YouTube. Let us revisit and search for Pexel.com and verify whenever we are allowed to use it or not. By opening a specific video showcasing stores and mountains, we can find information stating that it is free to use and no attribution is necessary. This license permits us to utilize the content in any manner we desire. Clicking on the provided link for more details about the license reveals that it falls under Creative Commons. In the case of Creative Commons images, while giving credit to the photographer is not obligatory, it is appreciated. Additionally, according to the YouTube guidelines, monetizing Creative Commons content is permissible. Therefore, there are no issues concerning this matter. Another point I would like to clarify is that the video contains music from the YouTube audio library and it explicitly states that you can monetize such music. You have the ability to access the YouTube audio library and download and reuse the music provided by YouTube. Within the audio library, you'll discover a vast collection of tracks available to use. By navigating through the genres, you can select ambient, which corresponded to the relaxation style. Upon applying the filter, you'll be presented with numerous images that can be utilized. Each page displays 100 tracks, and there are multiple pages offering a wide range of relaxation tracks. These tracks can be overlaid on the top of the free videos you obtained earlier. Therefore, there are no expenses involved if you wish to follow this approach and create your own relaxation and meditation channel by providing and re-uploading these videos onto YouTube. Let's break it down step by step, and I will guide you on how to proceed. Begin by creating a YouTube channel. You can search for instruction on how to create a YouTube channel, and the first result will guide you through the process. Follow the prompts to sign into Google and create your channel. When choosing your channel name, it's advisable to include words that specify the content of your channel. Look at popular channels in your niche, such as relaxation, meditation, or nature videos, and use similar naming conventions. This will aid in a search engine optimization within YouTube and make it easier for viewers to identify your channel's focus. The next step is to find the keywords for your videos. Utilize Google Keyword Planner tool, which is free to use. Search for the tool and select the option to start with keywords. Enter relevant starting keywords such as relaxation videos and relaxation music. Ensure that you have selected at least the United States and India as target locations, as these are typically where the majority of YouTube viewers reside. Clicking Get Results will provide you with additional keyword ideas to title your videos, such as meditation music, sleep music, calming music, relaxation piano music, and other suggestions you may have not considered before. These keywords will inspire video titles for your content. Once you have your keywords, it's time to create the videos. Start by visiting pexels.com and searching for videos related to your video ideas. For example, if you're looking for waterfalls, search for waterfalls and select the videos option. Download the videos you like, ensuring that you check the license and comply with any attribution requirements. Download a variety of videos, including nature footage. Visit the YouTube audio library to download relaxation tracks that you want to include in your videos. Explore different tracks and choose the one that fits your video theme. Download the tracks and save them for later use. To edit your videos, you can use the free software called HitFilm Express. Search for HitFilm Express on Google and download the free version. Open HitFilm Express and create a new project and set up the project settings with a suitable frame rate, width, and height. Import your downloaded videos and music into HitFilm Express. Arrange them into a timeline according to your desired sequence. You can cut the clips shorter if needed. Make sure the audio tracks are disconnected from the original video clips and delete any existing audio. This allows you to add your chosen relaxation music to the videos. By following these steps, you can create and edit videos for your YouTube channel, incorporating relevant keywords and appealing visuals to attract viewers interested in relaxation, meditation, and nature content. Let's take the relaxation music and insert it into your video, adjusting the length as needed. Initially, the video will be short, around a minute, but you can expand it by adding more clips and music using HitFilm Express software. Once the video is complete, you can export it as an MP4 file. I will play it for you, and you can hear how great it sounds and see its visual appeal. In HitFilm Express, you can choose the timeline, go to the File menu, and click on Export, give it a name, select the MP4 preset, and save it. This will export the project, resulting in 1 minute and 7-second video file. However, it's recommended to create a longer video by incorporating additional audio tracks and video files. The next step is to create an appealing thumbnail for your video. To get ideas, you can examine successful thumbnails from other creators in the same niche. Thumbnails featuring ocean or nature-related visual tends to attract more views in the relaxation genre. Canva is a software you can use for this purpose. Sign up for the free plan, search for the YouTube thumbnail, and open for the default template with appropriate size. Within Canva, you can explore the photo section and search for the terms like nature to find free images. Make sure to select images labeled as free rather than pro, which requires payment. There are numerous free images available for use in creating an attractive thumbnail. Selecting a visually relaxing image, such as one shown, can enhance its appeal. Canva provides a necessary tool to customize and design the thumbnail. You can drag and drop the chosen image or upload your own. After finalizing the design, simply download it as a PNG file. When uploading your video, it's crucial to write a compelling title and description. Incorporating relevant keywords in the title and the first three lines of the description is important for search optimization. Take inspiration from successful videos in your niche that effectively use keywords in their titles and descriptions. For example, if targeting the keyword relaxing spa music, make sure to include it appropriately. Utilizing tools like a free browser extension vidIQ can help you understand the tags used by other videos targeting similar keywords. To summarize, it's essential to create videos targeting different keywords to maximize visibility on YouTube. Aim to make anywhere from 50 to 100 videos to gain traction and grow your channel. While it requires dedication and effort, success on YouTube is possible. Remember that you can also reuse other creators' videos and musics with proper permissions. Consistency is the key, whether it means making videos daily, every few days, or weekly. With perseverance, you can achieve significant progress within a few months. Once your channel reaches 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for monetization and start earning revenue through ads. Additionally, there is a discounted YouTube training and mentoring program available that teaches how to start a successful channel from scratch and grow it to generate $10,000 per month or more. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to explore other videos on various online money-making methods. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications for future updates. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video.